Welcome to the QuickStart series, where we show you how to set up and configure your VOLO access control system. In this video, we will be looking at creating a new user in a few simple steps. Let's get started. Select the customer the new user will belong to. Navigate to the User's menu option in the top bar. Then click New in the left-hand side menu. Populate at least the mandatory fields by entering the details of your new user, first name and last name. While mandatory fields are marked with a red asterisk, other fields are essential too for your user to work as expected. You can specify when their access is valid, and you should select what access level they need to have. Check out the new access level video for more information. Here you can also decide whether they belong to a user group, and this is where you can add their token if you have one assigned to them already. Selecting the token type is an important step when setting up a user. Click the interface type drop-down to select from clock and data or weekend, and then enter the token number. Press Save and Close, and then click OK to close the window. You can now find your new user in the list of users for this customer and come back here anytime to edit their details. That's it. Your new user is now set up. If you need any further information, you can visit our wiki. Please find the link in the description or contact CIE. Thank you for choosing VOLO.